Unlocking the secret to a youthful appearance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might come across in everyday conversations, in books, or even in beauty and health magazines: youthful appearance. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into cultural values associated with age and beauty. So, let's get started. Youthful appearance refers to the physical characteristics often associated with young people. This can include smooth skin, a lack of wrinkles, vibrant hair color, and a certain energy or vitality in one's overall look. When we say someone has a youthful appearance, we're not necessarily talking about their actual age. Rather, we're describing how they look in relation to what is considered youthful. In many cultures around the world, a youthful appearance is often associated with health, vitality, and attractiveness. This perception can influence personal, professional, and social aspects of someone's life. Because of these cultural values, people might adopt various skincare routines, exercise regularly, or follow specific diets to maintain or achieve a youthful appearance. When you want to describe someone who looks younger than their years, you might use phrases like, "She looks youthful for her age. He has a very youthful vibe. They maintain a youthful appearance through their lifestyle." These expressions not only focus on the physical aspects but also hint at the attitude or lifestyle choices that contribute to such an appearance. The way we talk about age and appearance can significantly affect how we perceive ourselves and others. Language shapes our reality, and understanding phrases like youthful appearance helps us navigate social interactions more thoughtfully. It's important to use these descriptions with sensitivity, recognizing the beauty in all stages of life. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of youthful appearance and why it's a phrase worth knowing in English. Remember, while it's great to know how to describe physical attributes, the true essence of youth comes from feeling vibrant and alive at any age. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay curious, and keep learning.